hello again. Just drinking sticky weed or cleavers with few daisies, Irish kind of daisies or English daisies. They're very good expectorant, very good for your cough. And sticky weed or cleavers, as you know, is very good for lymphatic system, so mainly for lymphatic system, and you can even cure if you have a throat cancer in your throat. It's very good using the freshly juiced juice from the cleavers or sticky weed and gargle with that juice when you have if it happens that you have some cancer or tumor in your throat. But sticky weed is great for so many things, for your skin issues or for lymphatic issues. It's very good cleaning tonic. It's very good just to use it in creams or salves, but I'm drinking it for the lymphatic treat. It's nice. Okay, so today I will show you how I make cough remedy or medicine out of 4 plants or herbs. You've seen already cough syrup, plantain cough syrup. So I got few leaves of the mullein, then I have plantain, narrow leaf plantain, and then I have some catnip here, which is not really for coughing, but it's very good sedative plant. It's as strong, or it's very, can't say comparable, but it's got compound that valerian root has as well, or valerian plant. So this catnip that is attracting cats has also sedative, very strong sedative or pretty strong sedative effects. But I am gonna use it in this remedy, in this medicine, because once you're having bad cough, it will calm you as well. Plus I'm using Irish daisies as the great expectorant. So I will be again making layers of plantain, layers of mullein. Oh, and I forgot about the spruce strips. So I have plantain, I have mullein, then I have spruce strips, Irish daisies, and catnip. So it's very simple and it's very easy and very fast medicine. So we will do layer of the plantain, and of course we will press it there well. Why I am using sugar? I'm using coconut brown sugar, but I'm not using honey. It's quite difficult to keep it submerged under the honey, and this medicine, once it's done, I will just bury it in the soil for 2-3 months. So therefore it's better to keep it or to use sugar, brown sugar, even though I'm against the sugar, but it's better to use sugar. The original recipe is calling for sugar anyway, but in original recipe they're using white sugar, so I'm using brown sugar. So the layer of plantain, the layer of brown sugar, the layer of spruce tips, nice and fresh spruce tips, nice fresh spruce tips, which are full of chlorophyll and vitamin C, and they're very good for cough or for respiratory issues, same as plantain. Just press it there well. Then again the layer of the brown sugar, okay, and then I will use the layer of the daisies, press it there well again, then again the layer of the brown sugar. This will be amazing medicine. In 2-3 months it will be ready. You will get a good expectorant syrup that will help you with breathing issues, or it will help you to release mucus from your chest, wherever you have your mucus, you know. So it's very good coughing syrup. Okay, so that's the layer of brown sugar. Now I will add this catnip that I'm growing. So it will be nice fragrance, nice aromatic part in it, and it will be a relaxing part in this syrup. As you've noticed, I'm using everything fresh, no dried stuff. Oh, that smell, it's like lavender. You're probably growing catnip as well, and if you're growing, so you know that wherever you're growing it, it will attract cats really, so cats will be crawling and they will keep coming back. That's why it's called catnip, but it's beautiful fragrance. Then I have catnip in it. I might add again daisies. Okay, daisies. And then you will press it again. Cover it with brown sugar. Okay, that's it. Now don't forget about the mullein, because that's the #1 plant for respiratory issues. If you have mullein flowers, please feel free and use mullein flowers. I don't have it blooming yet. I don't have mullein flowers blooming yet, but I have leaves, mullein leaves. I'm using mullein everywhere, making tinctures, teas. It's great just for smoking it as well. Very good in salves as well. So it's very multi usable. You can use it in many ways. Press the mullein leaf again firmly and well. Okay. And then again the layer of the sugar. And again the layer of the plantain, till you come to the top of this jar. Cover it with the sugar, put the lid on and bury it in the soil, or keep it at the cool temperature in the cool environment and let it sit there for the 2-3 months. Then you will just strain everything and you will get beautiful syrup, cough syrup, very nice syrup. Okay, so that's all, that's the whole recipe. Cheers and see you next week.